God bless you all. God bless you. All of you can be very funny. We don't tire to complain. Please, if you are there, just share and invite your friends. Thank you. This song is Nigeria, and we're going to the Safari. Oh yeah, my sister, and this coming Nigeria. Remember Nigeria. Please, if you are there, help share if you are there. Help share. I will discuss something very important tonight. You don't tire to complain. Please, if you are watching, help us do sharing. Thank you very much. I would also feel to appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in tonight. We want to be talking about something important, and it's good we understand ourselves in whatever thing we are doing live. I'm able to see that most of all we use sentiment to do whatever thing we are doing, and the same thing once happened in Edo State. I want to be, for me, I like giving a recommendation at times, particularly those of us that have really seen life from a different perspective. We want to be looking at American election, the way forward, and what Donald Trump has for the people. So we want to be looking at it. It may not be definitely from your own perspective, and by the grace of God, we are not men pleaser. So we are not men pleaser by the grace of God. I think the first comment I see here, if I'm not mistaken, because I'm seeing it very, hello sir, I hope you are not also supporting Donald Trump. I'm supporting Donald Trump 100%. I'm supporting Donald Trump 100%. I'm in support of Donald Trump 100%, 100%. Just the same way I supported Obaseki. It's just that we couldn't really do the campaign because we were very stressed up during the election of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. And I've come and let us understand something. We shouldn't be always take everything as a fact. We've been able to fight something, and we benefited it. Today, that's what most of us are clamoring on today. Edo State have lights today. I was insulted for Edo State to have light. I was over-insulted for the light you are going to stand and join for in Edo State today. If Obaseki were ejected from the office, you yourself now that your rope that I hope you are not supporting Donald Trump. Maybe you may be one of those people who said Obaseki must leave. But today we are enjoying the dividend already of supporting Obaseki. Then the reason why every one of us stood up to say no, Obaseki must complete his 8 years. Most people were saying, Oba, 8 years, is it not a better? But today, I will see how much of you will off your light. That stadium was connected yesterday. The people in that environment that caused up even in sort of Obaseki, who wanted to start even carrying our name to Babalawo, I will see whether the light will not shine to where you are. So whatever thing we are doing, I'm urging us, please. There is a God that's watching. There are a lot of things we are not supposed to be taking personal, but we are over personalizing a lot of things. Now, Obama took in office 2009. From 2009 to 2017, Joe Biden was his vice president. Now, what foundation did Obama let? I know a lot of us today, after educating you, you are going to regret it. Of you even insulting anybody supporting Donald Trump. You are going to, I swear to God, I'm going to be revealing a lot of things to you. Because you refuse to do research. I think we were always asking, what they call this man? Isaiah Yamo, when he was SSG, what did he do? I used to campaign against Isaiah Yamo. Really, what did he do? Then we are not questioning Oshiomhole. Oshiomhole, what you couldn't do for 8 years. Now you want to do, huh? What did Obama not do for 8 years for America? Now you want to do, huh? Obama get to Ghana because the problem the blacks has is that we refuse to think. That's the problem what we have. Obama originated from Kenya. What did he do for Kenya? Kenya today, they are indebted to Chinese. They are into Chinese loans. Obama is from there. What does he do? What did Joe Biden do for 8 years? What did he want to do for American people? Right now, I'm no longer interested about whether you like him or you don't like him. The person that is going to rescue us from this mess is what I'm interested in. If I want to go America, a lot of you that know me, this will not be say, come right back, come in here. I'm not America freak or whatever. I'm not freaked. My own father, my biological father was one of the first person in Ogida as a whole who sponsored his own son to United States of America 1982 to go and study. First time I'm revealing this. My own biological father sponsored his own son to America to go and study. A lot of you watching right now, you know the story. So we are not framed by it. If we are supporting any government, we are supporting because he's a liberator. We are not supporting. We are not supporting the person because of he have been able to please us personally. Now, since the killing that been happening during Obama was when Boko Haram invaded Nigeria. What did Obama do? Did he send any troop? No, he didn't send any troop. He didn't send any troop. Then why was Goodluck Jonathan evicted from the office? Why was he evicted from the office? So let's go and search our history. We know where we are coming from. The people you call your friends at times, they are not really your friends. I like him when he comes in, you know, our moral here in Spain raised mi hermano ex-presidente de America, Estados Unidos. We all were happy about it, but at the end of the day, for 8 years, what legacy did he leave behind for us? He went to go and sign that I, female, Newton, I can marry another William. I can marry William. I can marry you that is watching me right now without problem. Then, why will a reasonable father or a reasonable mother support such person? That tomorrow your child is coming out from coming back from the university, he come back with a male child, because it is not they don't put into law right now that I want to marry so and so. If you slap that child, you go die in jail because it have been put in the federal law. How did you expect the people with the opposite sex? When Donald Trump came, he said, no, this thing will not happen in America. You want them to be happy. And you, the same you, who marry and put wife at home. And you even your daughter today is 25 years, while you see the beat am. Then that same your daughter right now will go and bring another girl and say, yes, this is my lover. That was some of the things Obama kept behind. This was the same thing he wanted to Goodluck Jonathan to do. Jonathan never have hand in it. That was why Jonathan lose that election. Obama was the one that imposed Buhari on you people, but you may not. I'm not campaigning here, but I hate when people all you know. My campaigning has nothing to do with Donald Trump, but at times we tell ourselves the truth. At times we tell ourselves the truth. What happened to Muammar Gaddafi in Libya? Before Donald Trump came into power, Libya was more or less like Europe. And those state men, I know how many in the 80s, 90s, who make it from Libya, they come back home and come and invest. If I just see any hard comment here, my dear, I will block your ass. I will still block your destiny, Jonah. We must have to start thinking. We have to start thinking now. Because look at the common answers right now. At the end of the day, now palliatives, now we can't turn out to. Forgetting our freedom. Did they forget about the freedom? Right now, we don't talk about the freedom any longer. We brought Obaseki out, the insultant. These same you people that have insulted me today because I supported Obaseki. The same palliative come trying to explain to you people refuse to listen. That's why some adult people matter. It's in the book of Genesis chapter 6 verse 6. That God regretted why he made man. Now some adult people, not the other tribe. Now we get problem. Your sister today, they are still in Bamako. Do you know how many of our adult brothers and sisters that have died in Libya? Now Obama cousin. Libya were not killing before. It was after Obama killed Muammar Gaddafi. He killed Muammar Gaddafi. That's why Libya today is a war zone. What Obama do behind what he want to do? I'm not getting it clear. A lot of people have been writing. I know that's your own opinion. I'm not here to talk about. I don't even look at anything. Now your own life be that. Now you know why you the support him. But waiting person so now they reap. The book of John chapter 8 verse 32. He said, and ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. I have known the truth about life. I'm no longer sentimental knives. Like you out there that is shouting, Joe Biden, Joe Biden. Joe Biden was vice president for 8 years. What legacy, what he do remain? Even when he and Donald Trump was in, he asked him. They are asking, they are accusing Donald Trump of racism. Then Donald Trump asked Joe Biden for one debate like that. Say, do you know how many of black people you jail? But the reason why they are worrying this man, I don't know. This coronavirus of a thing. Have you ever thought of it as going to end? You are 40 years in Europe, 40 years in America. Something go see they happen. You are still talking about international community. And you are supposed to be a member of international community by now. If you are a person where there in midst of water, so go enter your eye, you don't see water to wash. Tell me, what did Obama do remain? Now Obama want to visit Nigeria. What did he do about Boko Haram? It was during the time the Boko Haram grew. Up to now, we they see their finger for the excessive killing in Nigeria. Up to now, we they see their finger for the atrocity that's happening in Nigeria. The only person who have even one day talked about the excessive killing of Christians. Obaseki won. Obaseki win the election. Donald Trump contributed. There was an Igbo guy who drew the attention, and they let them know for the first time, because I know they do research, who drew the attention of Obama to what's happening in Edo State. That what makes, to Donald Trump about what's happening in Edo State. That what made Donald Trump to put visa ban for all those Jagaband in Nigeria. Now Donald Trump put visa ban. Now one had to take call Boris Johnson, ban them also. Now this man I want to pay ungratefully. I begin to see people say, Okpa. Is Donald Trump suffering? Not suffering. Donald Trump is not suffering. Now they suffer. Now one can rescue. Donald Trump is not for himself. Not be all politics or political whatever will they shook our man they put. Donald Trump is coming to come and save the world. He has nothing to lose. And Donald Trump is coming by, he's going to rule for 8 years. Why are you going? Quote me wrong. The election won't account and pass there. When they were doing that, I put a picture there. I saw one person wrote, I'll be like you before, my dear woman like me. I mean, you will see a picture. For those of you that have not seen it in my page, let me show it to you. Me, I not be, one of they blow me. One of they blow me. But I might fail, I not reach, but I know where my boundary pass, you know. The way we overlay emphasis, flux on certain things, it's like some people are suffering here, you know. I'm not campaigning for Donald Trump. I'm not going to say, una wait 200,000 mata go key. As una take the iron up and down. I don't first swear for una. Your good in life will never pass 200,000. As una take the talk this thing they go. Be that say I don't come tell una. The meaning of what you guys are doing is wrong. Una no one here. Your appreciation not go pass 200,000 for your life, and it must follow you. Because person they pray, make you not go offend who you not supposed to offend. Because now they go for this social media. I not get anybody time. God lay anything in my heart, I talk and I don't come on. This is the picture I put. Then I'm going to quote to you right now what I wrote in there. What I wrote, I say, I'm monitoring the United States of America presidential election closely. Some people still contest, see wetin I do them. See, there's no way I can ever reason like you. That's why I'm 100% of activism. I don't use it to do whatever thing I'm doing. I am not even against Joe Biden. But question I'm asking you that is supporting Joe Biden and Obama. May your son be gay. May your son school in America become gay because it is legalized. How will a black man, a wayward black man, put something into law? I think that's one supposed to piss each American citizens that know what they are doing. It's supposed to piss them off. Now, wetin make Obama fit come and second tenure be that? Those are some political strategies wey he do. Wey make am fit come back if I put, because the people practicing that same thing today, they almost half of population of the world. But why Donald Trump not get problem? He has problem today because of your children. Donald Trump has problem because of your children. Imagine most of you right now, if you work Buwene, for those of you supporting Israel in our society, may your own son and your daughter become lesbian and gay. In Jesus' name. When we are trying to uproot some certain things away from our society, people does not get it from that perspective. They begin to use sentiment and hatred. Okay, what have this man done? Joe Biden, if you don't know now, from 2009 to 2017, Joe Biden was vice president. What does he do? What political relevancy did he show in Africa that will even make any African person? There may be trade policy right now in America that Donald Trump, yes, things must have to get smooth. Things must work out. During the time of us now, from 90-something to 2000-something, 98, 99, 2000, thereabout, Aznar was the president of Spain. That time level they treat anyhow. When Sabatero came, level still there. But when Rajoy came, they can't treat am small. Rajoy was still here. When Tokare Pikin come Spain, you'll get problem. So each president has a way of spoiling things for the wrong people. So Donald Trump come scatter a lot of things. So they are no longer getting it cheap. They are no longer getting it cheap. That is why they are hungry. Now, if Obama was the president of America for 8 years, since 2009 till 2017 precisely, now, what was the plan for Africa? What did he do for Africa? Even Kenya away from come. One of the seaport of Kenya, as at last year, it already due. One of the biggest port in Kenya, it already due for the Chinese to collect it because of the loan they couldn't pay back. What principle, what political principle did Obama bring? Did he try to bring a gene in helping Patrick Etienne Lumumba of Kenya to see how his activism towards Africa being liberated works? No, he not get that time. But all he could do was to concentrate to make sure Muammar Gaddafi was eradicated. Since Muammar Gaddafi died, we know how many Edo people have gone down the drain. Obama have not helped me. Precisely have not helped you. You may feel he have helped you because you are not thinking, oh, we want. Person wey go your visa launch, you just come out, everybody dey pass come America. Like how will we go to feast up our home? Who will go to feast it up? Nobody. So Joe Biden, let me show you one of the video that Donald Trump asked him a question. They were debating. He couldn't say anything. Your Joe Biden couldn't say anything. He couldn't say anything. Donald Trump asked him and said, what about, he knows about the blacks American that he locked up in the jail. But everything today, una they put on top of this very man. Say, nah, he bad. But it also happened to Jesus anyway. Nowhere for not they happen. Whatever thing you are seeing, that's why the support I gave to Obaseki, I will never regret it. Even a lot of people begin to think as if they are fool. If you read the book of Mark 6, verse 3, the same thing happened to Jesus. That's why no single miracle was recorded for him in Nazareth. Do you know why? The name they call him? A son of a carpenter.
Because they know how he was born. They know how he used to quarrel with the papa and the mama. They know how he was a little bit stubborn because he came in form of a human. They know they didn't respect him. But after he left Nazareth, when he went to Galilee, they began to hear of him. So I'm urging of us today, let's open up our understanding. The information about life, you are not going to get it from any Edo blogger. You have to go deep to the YouTube and Facebook. You are not going to get it. I saw MC Casino today, came out and he was talking to this lady in France or so. Which one be speaking true and whatever? What does that have to do with Edo? You not mention Edo ne put. If now Obanya going talk now they hate. You see how people put a kind of importance on things that are not that meaningful. To me, when I saw that video, I laughed. If now Obanya must carve that English now. If now Obanya must carve that English, well, now the monk that woman put right now, then you are trying to draw attention to it. Then the people constantly say, "Now that one now, now that one now." He's not representing any tribe. He's doing his own. All professor know what prophecy man, but right now English now one spoil now. And we all each and every one of us, let us man, that is our personal life. He has nothing to do with the Benins. He has nothing to do with the Edos. She just said her own. So if she blend it tomorrow and put it where everybody will start buying. When a president with the calf come out recently, that one now don't come off for una mad now. Now Donald Trump matter now. You guys have a very big problem. Your president is nowhere to be found. There is no single agenda in your politics in Nigeria. How many of the Americans today who even they swear say Donald Trump must talk back? Your house in Benin, you cannot go there because you dey fear. But you can sleep your tourniquet eye closed in America. You cannot go to Benin. When my son will protest in the White House, we only want to get it cheap. Did America even have problem? Did they have security problem? As of today, America have one of the best military in the world. Who do want Donald Trump? He have rebranded their military force. He paid them. When I go to confirm information, if you know where they are, the one we hear correct inside, make it give una story about this Donald Trump I criticize too. So Jesus Christ faced such criticism. So some of Edo people were also in Nazareth, who drove him away. But at the end of the day, or they were now coming to come and start seeking for miracle. So are we all just what you don't know about? Stop supporting it. How will you support a man who is having the mind of spoiling our children? The charge abroad these days, one the thing is so low, you are in problem. Spanish right now, they have similar problem like that. Well, they can just come to tell you, and they want to marry. If such a thing, if your children come influence with such spirit, what are you going to do? Most of you right now, you cannot even talk to your child. Your child go to university tomorrow and say, "Nah, he's not in love with a man." What are you going to feel? They'll say, "Yes, America president, I do one." But Donald Trump came, he ruled all those things out. Some of the nyama we meet for White House, now your personal money to renovate White House. Washington. Why learn? Audion way over magba. The ba audion we useluya gbina. Amwe okwopa be Rome. Ana mokpa be Kuwaito. Adoko yakugbe. That's the news we want to hear. We don't want cracking the bone. I just want to come and waking up and understand it. I'm not trying to say you should support who you are supporting. But why are you supporting this person? And why are you interested for the person to come back? Obama reached Ghana, he turned back because he get beef for Goodluck Jonathan. Mobo yebe, namiego biabo bia because he don't take Nigeria when Nigeria did their eye. Namiego biabo batia be home egbe. O mamo boyo, o yen ya zemani with all pa Goodluck Jonathan. Jonathan man not tell you, but when Jonathan left, all of us were celebrating Buhari. Then I was not into politics like this because I'm not going to come out. But let me put myself to a non-busy man. And they put everything for our head. All of you were happy. But nobody changed when they see so. How much a bag of rice now? During the time of Jonathan, fuel pump not be fuel price not be 65, not be 165 right now. This is the change that you want. This is how you will also brought into Biden. Then you start having problem. What Obama not do for 8 years, what he want to do again. A vote for Joe Biden is a vote for Obama. A vote for Joe Biden is a vote for Obama. That is just the fact. I'm here to tell you the truth. So after this video, I watch it. I will block you away. If you comment bad things there, I will also block you in my WhatsApp. Because if you cannot reason this election, you cannot reason between a good and a bad leader. No need more for me and you to be a friend. We are in 2021 in 2 months' time. How long will I keep on going out with people who is the same, who forget about their tomorrow, who does not really know how people have treated them bad, who does not know who have punished them? Any adult person that today the jihadists they kill in Libya is killed by Barack Obama. Go and read your history. How come about the death of Muammar Gaddafi? Who put these people into pain? Muammar Gaddafi, he come to a time that he wanted to start bringing a gold trade. If you are coming to Africa to come and buy oil, you come with gold. They look and say, okay, you not go work now. Obama government kill Muammar Gaddafi. The records are out there. The records are out there. But today they couldn't come and say, okay, now Buhari, you are there. Are they not aware? Are they not aware? Do you know when Donald Trump was supposed to speak, now they carry impeachment face on, the man never get rest once. Do you think the Fulani herdsmen for never kill everybody for Nigeria, if not be Donald Trump where they fear? Do you think the whole world today for never turn upside down? We don't know the power of Donald Trump. Let me forget for America now, because get the way that man take day. I think tell now say if they carry this thing go Supreme Court. Now there for one end, let's go and see. They talk about they talking about. I see Benin people. The same Donald Trump who put a visa ban immediately, who sent signal to Nigeria American embassy through the 90 pass message come out say we are watching in a Edo State election. Now the same Donald Trump, you guys are very ungrateful elements. You know what? You thought Obaseki become victorious or Buhari not can ring that election. Now because of your power, my dear, because of your power, there is an ad I was watching. That was why after this very man, Bob Menendez of New Jersey, when Osowore wife go meet him, they pronounce where Americans are watching. That was why they leave so worried. Donald Trump government, he have tried for you and I. If you never count money give you, but more now allow the plans where that man get for Africa, make it come back second time, make it liberate people where go feel liberate. Donald Trump, he will not watch to see Fufu and ASM kill us all the time. There are a lot of things trying to put together. The reason why he withdraw himself from NATO, una no know. The reason why he withdraw himself is they try to put an end to a lot of things. Remove his head, he matter in hand, come on for WHO, what organization, una not care to know. We will not they read, we will not they follow better program. All we don't want to do, that's all what we are, all what we know how to do. Go and read your history. Wetin Obama do remain, wetin bad the one can do finish. The same question that you and I today, that is now saying talk about, the same question we're asking Isaiah Yamu, what did Isaiah Yamu do when he was in SSG for good 8 years? No record that Joe Biden left. May I play us the video? Or what about what Dame where Emmanuel Economic memoir? We don't reason. We don't reason.
Abraham Lincoln, where did that come in? I mean, you said he made a reference to Abraham Lincoln. Where did that come in?
Just watch this. Just watch this.
No. I said not since Abraham Lincoln has anybody done what I've done for the black community. And I didn't say I'm Abraham Lincoln. I said not since Abraham Lincoln has anybody done what I've done for the black community. Now, you have done nothing other than the crime bill, which put tens of thousands of black men mostly in jail.
All right, let me ask Vice President Biden.
Now, there was debate. And now this same thing, now some Benin people get for mind. And Donald Trump now put on to Joe Biden. Joe Biden not deny him because he read one. Tens of thousands black Americans now Joe Biden jail. My demon go read on history. Where at history was. I said I was monitoring American election. I was monitoring you all guys. How some animal will start fooling themselves. Why must you be say what you don't know? Because politicians don't they give you no money. I pray may not read for you. Go to Libya today. There is still a war zone. Who did it? Now this is Joe Biden and Obama. They have killed thousands of those. They have killed thousands of those. The people of Libya before, they were not suffering. Libya was like Europe in Africa. But go and look at it today. Every day, a bomb must blast it. Who did it? This same government right now, Wakobona. Danowe when this same government is, you know. Then Voya Mahena. No, Wadotana Voya Mahena. I'm not getting it clear. Voya, no, if they say something good, how you take good, you go talk on. I hate when people do enter live Facebook, analyze and the way they analyze and so. What have Donald Trump done wrong? Even minus, ever since I know what I know right now about Barack Obama, he met out with all Barack Obama, who won't be or can talk back. We be do ya fe no ge wulo Libya or can be Barack Obama. Hello efe. We ma we or can be. Let us forget Donald Trump right now. Let's begin to figure out our oppressor. When it came 2009, every one of us were happy. We celebrated the victory. Ali Mawemi no Yameji Matoze. He got to Ghana. He turned back. This wicked Esu no mana. Barack Obama, he get to Ghana. He turned back. Why not? At least Nigeria is the biggest country in the world, the 7th largest continent, the 7th largest country in the whole world. Now number 7 now we did. Obama reached Ghana. He turned back. You know, go ask yourself, what makes Obama to get to Ghana and turn back? What till we doing? Why he not come? As a black man, why he not come? You not ask yourself question. We didn't ask ourselves question. Everybody is looking onto America. Whatever thing the people does, they want to do it. Even not Donald Trump, the first thing that he did was to carry barrel and pen. No gay marriage in America. America is a Christian nation. Or take my name. Anywhere both parties. Because it has been legalized. Even at that, we not see Bobrisky for Nigeria. Who they give Bobrisky strength? Where does he get the strength from? Why Nigerian government never quack? Right now, what they could sign, be killing Christians. So, Mona never give a dope person power. Only Bini person, not tell me. Ovie se Obaseki. Now I go here say wano not be mixed blood at all. And I tell you now, this is Donald Trump was there. If you are talking about the international community, I might mention a Donald Trump in my your work. Any decision that is going to be made in G8 or G11 or G7, Donald Trump man say yes in there, you go nowhere. If Donald Trump talk, every other president go pro because get the way that man today. A lot of people, when they have something in their hand, they value it. They have treated even Otto CNN, they hate him. Because why he don't back in Yambo? The same thing when Obaseki did. When he came, everybody all hate him. Why did they hate him? I don't know Obaseki we have Donald Trump. Or am I going to vote in here? But let's stop spreading this hate. It not go help us. We cannot help ourselves. We need a leader who will help us. And who is that leader? We go get help. Why we never get time since? Why we not get help from 2009 to 2017 before Obama? Okay, you can't bear by a white house. E nyama ya fe o viole le white house ni babo fie kun le wagon. O vie ya lele. Amen. So we don't just care about tomorrow. All we care is about today. Donald Trump no quite alright where a coronavirus game, you know. Now they cannot use nose mask. Only leader that doesn't use nose mask. He don't use it. Because Obama administration right from Obama administration plan. But he cannot just come in and begin to scatter things. Let me organize myself and say I'm going to do all these things. Okay, now coronavirus come. They say they put on for your head, not being done. They say no quick lockdown. Who even call back the world to come back to normal? Now see Donald Trump. He says it's not going to lock down again. But they are still blaming up to today. More continue to play this video. Let me start it from beginning again.
You made a reference to Abraham Lincoln. Where did that come in? I mean,
you said you're Abraham Lincoln.
No, where did that? No. I said not since Abraham Lincoln has anybody done what I've done for the black community.
And I'm saying,
I didn't say I'm Abraham Lincoln. I said not since Abraham Lincoln has anybody done what I've done for the black community? Now, you have done nothing other than the crime bill, which put tens of thousands of black men mostly in jail.
All right, let me ask Vice President
Because if
Biden
you look at what's happening with the voting right now,
let me ask
they
Vice
remember
President
that
Biden
you treated them
about
very, very badly. Just take a look at what's happening out there.
Vice President.
When I closed, he said I shouldn't have closed. And that went on for months. Nancy Pelosi said the same thing. She was dancing on the streets in Chinatown in San Francisco. But when I closed...
Now, when he close border, they see query and say why he close border. Now, what you want to do for your enemy, we go like you. If you do this one, they say no good. If you make any approach, they say no good. And even you yourself today, those the problem with my guayo, and even when I ball for a 20 flat in Wabolo, you will Boko Haram. Leave America and go home. Leave Europe and go home. Me everyone made your place cast. Only our children go there. More use than 100 be low to Abiowa. Most you go even survive the bongo. Make them drive every one of us. Now I could make our kulima. Make them leave our children for here. More goes you go free survive. Una way lazy pass any other thing. You only want it free all the time.
It's a terrible thing. You're xenophobic. I think he called me racist even. And because I was closing it to China. Now he says I should have closed it earlier. It just, Joe, it doesn't work.
I didn't say either of those things.
You certainly did.
I talked about a xenophobia in a different context. It wasn't about closing the border to Chinese coming to the United States.
All right, I want to talk about both of your different strategies to handle
He thought I shouldn't have closed the border.
Well,
that's obvious.
Do you want to respond to that quickly, Vice President Biden? Okay.
Listen, New York has lost more than 40,000 people, 11,000 people in nursing homes.
President Trump,
when you say spike, take a look at what's happening in Pennsylvania, where they've had it closed. Take a look at what's happening with your friend in Michigan, where her husband's the only one allowed to do anything. It's been like a prison. Now it was just ruled unconstitutional. Take a look at North Carolina. They're having spikes, and they've been closed. And they're getting killed financially. We can't let that happen, Joe. You can't let that happen. We have to open up. I don't make money from Ukraine. You do. I don't make money from Russia. You made $3.5 million, Joe.
Okay.
And your son gave you. They even have a statement that we have to give 10% to the big man. You're the big man, I think.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe you're not. But you're the big man, I think. Your son said we have to give 10% to the big man. Joe, what's that all about? It's terrible.
All right, gentlemen, our pause, and then we're going to move on to climate change.
Why didn't you do it in the 8 years, a short time ago? Why didn't you do it? You just said, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this. You put tens of thousands of mostly black young men in prison. Now you're saying you're going to undo that. Why didn't you get it done? You had 8 years with Obama.
10,000 black men I put for prison. Now it's now Mademo with the tiki. Our tiki faculty too low. Now make all the run come on for house. I think this one I go. Everybody has decided to correct now. You they talk your own they go because say you hear them. They talking for America. Campaign tactics. That was how we were able to convince most of our the way they home say Obaseki na igudo. Emake do ki in. May I play and finish?
Joe, because you're all talk and no action.
All right, Vice President Biden, and then we're going to move on to the next section.
We had a Republican Congress. That's the answer.
Well,
Okay.
You got to talk them into it, Joe.
All right.
Sometimes you got to talk them into it.
We're going to move on to our next section.
Like I did with criminal
climate
justice.
change.
That's into
Gentlemen?
it in the world. But if you want to kill the economy, get rid of your oil industry. You want, and what about fracking?
All right, let me allow Vice President Biden to respond.
Never said.
Hey, Donald Trump, all see why I bolo. Our man, why if you boy, you know. Hey, Donald Trump, why I cool.
Put it on your website.
I'll put it on.
Put it on the website. The fact of the matter is, he's flat.
A dead man walking. Hey, we don't do contest. I hear them talk about Obama. Obama,
need other
but we support Obama. Oh, we want to get in this.
transition to get to all the
We want oh yeah, oh what you hope you wa. No ya the other all we do koni wa re.
fracking over time.
No wa me na
Make sure
gbon.
that we can capture the
Nonsense.
emissions from the
Maybe
fracking.
ya support.
Capture the emissions from gas. We can do that, and we can do that by investing money and doing it. But it's a transition to that.
I have one more question in this pod, and then
Excuse me,
we have...
he was against fracking. He said it. I will show that to you tomorrow. I am against fracking. Until he got the nomination, went to Pennsylvania, then he said, but you know what, Pennsylvania? He'll be against it very soon because his party is totally against it.
Fracking.
Very quickly, and then we're going to move on to North Korea.
$1.5 billion from China to manage after spending 10 minutes in office and being in Air Force 2, number one. Number two, there's a very strong email talking about your family wanting to make $10 million a year for introductions.
President Trump, on China policy, though,
This Donald Trump was the one that also, the capital city of Israel, and I can't go to Jerusalem. This is what all presidents have been promising. Enough. Look at the peace deal he have done between the Israel and the Palestinians. Why again? We are not interested. All people now wait, visa this year, you open, everybody will pack in America. Why you declare tax? Why you declare why we want it free all the time? We are talking about somebody that is living where you are. He goes see stretch hand. Not even Macron today. What is happening at Yaoundé in Cameroon? Macron, there is massacre there. Who colonized Cameroon? Not be France. Are they not the Francophone? Why they not the top put? Why Boris Johnson in Britain? Why they leave Boko Haram made they kill us? How many words have you ever seen that a Boris Johnson on Lemi we were talk about the excessive killing that is happening in Nigeria today? That's all the bloody care. Who do you think is going to help you? Joe Biden don't help you. Joe Biden don't help you. Emmanuel Wesagin don't help you. Fún ẹnu wa. Ìwé ya gbé wa sẹ́n. Senseless nation. Senseless generation. Joe Biden don't help you. Joe Biden all don't help you. Look at, yes, Abazonia also. Abazonian people, they are having problem. Could you know there was a time Donald Trump sent an army there? We don't know. If I'm supporting somebody, I'm not supporting because of my interest. I know that light was coming to Edo. Now make me support Obaseki. Say that light not be scam. I know that this man has something. Genesis chapter 1 verse 3. He said, and said, God said, let there be light. And there was. Who is going to put an end to all this pandemic? Right now, Spain is looking for curfew. Brother, na curfew, now they call them curfew. For 6 months. UK, they are starting their lockdown 4 weeks. Total lockdown. Total lockdown. Who is going to regulate all these things you are seeing? Now, human being like you and I, you need to encourage somebody that will do it. Instead of you to, if you have nothing to say, just shut up your mouth. These people, they are demons. Nothing has been levied against Donald Trump. That was why when Jesus Christ was brought before Pilate, Pilate said, I have not seen anything wrong this man have done. He said, take him to Herod. That was how Herod asked them to crucify Jesus by nailing him to the cross. Today we are still learning all our saviors. You like people like this, una no want learn. When you are opening now, where we go open your Facebook. That's it. You are blocked forever. What do you not know about them? What do you know about what do you know about Obama? Witch and wizard. Also, wana in gay. Wana go now. Any person that you see supporting this very government now, where they support Joe Biden and the rest, don't go check their inward life. They get bad thing where they do, where they want me to legalize for them. And as soon as they support her, that is to say, you people were happy when Obama stood and said, man and man, you were happy, and your female child will bring a man to your home in the mighty name of Jesus. Will bring a woman to your home. Your male child will also bring a male child. No, again, not dumb. Wayward set of generation. This is why when good Lord Jonathan were living, all of you were happy. We like celebrating evil that will start regretting tomorrow. Now you don't see have a president. That one does not draw your attention. That one does not stumble your capacity. And say no, this thing we need to start looking into it. What about Nigerian communities abroad? What are you people doing about the fake whatever broker they did the other day that Buhari did not come out physically to come and address the nation. That one not the show no attention. My dear, Donald Trump in the gbedo wa waste time. Or tired not tired. Why aka the voting if una so na get na gbene why aka talk ba. I just see some people fool themselves. What he doesn't know about. Well, go to Libya today. Libya it was who caused it? Una see when Donald Trump ask him a question just now. Why not confident answer? Why not fit answer? We don't want leaders who will come and pollute society. Not be say complete for Donald Trump finish, but what Donald Trump is doing won't affect your generation. It will only affect you say increase your tax. Don't come to America. There is a purpose for it. Feast up your home. Feast up your home. Only leader that have ever won the trauma for Nigeria, not even Putin or of Russia. Because those ones, they don't really have alliance like that. We are much in America. If we have been doing protests, going to that place, okay, now, did you think Donald Trump will win? Then you know, give up their freedom. Igbo people their freedom. Whether you like or you don't like, I must give you your freedom. But people supporting this very man, they are not supporting because they needed appointment. Thank God, even America. I'm not the America. I'm not going to say, why if you not see for America, I'm going to cut my neck. He did. Because God, I don't already read Bible. Say, wherever the soul of you shall set upon, you shall possess your possession. So if I cannot get what I'm looking for in Europe here, my dear, and I don't say yes, now God want make I rich. Maybe God not do my destiny, make I drive Ferrari. Or make I rich like Dilo Melayi. But I know if he do clean and follow Dino Melayi, I can only build house for him. I will not be a house boy. God don't already pay for that one. So that is it. So let's forget about this, our selfish and stupid archaic idea that we have. Instead of what to do research, go and check American army today. Check how many trillions of dollars that man have spent in buying I think a B-51 the jet fighter. Do you know how much one worth? How many Obama do? How many Obama do that? Then we are here using settlement for thing. Or now give you those state election. Even the same Edo State where you don't even understand what's happening. A lot of people right now, they were speechless the other day. This Buhari me I know since 2017 that nothing there, now just zero, now printing machine I be. Thank God for the life of the people who have a spiritual idea. Through this very process right now, they reduce my view as small. I they block a lot of people. I just block them because I don't need you. Because I want to go out with the real people who reason the way I do, who see things from the other side. Not people that work with sentiment because say America they talk say e no good, CNN they talk say e no good. The same thing happened to Obaseki. Today there is light in Obaseki. Then on the other day yesterday. There's light everywhere. Are you people not going to pay me? You that insulted me before. The same question we ask. What they call it, Yamu. When you were SG for 8 years, what do you do? He asked Joe Biden just now, Donald Trump asked him just now, for 8 years, what did you do? Now you want to do this, now you want to do that. Your time is gone. Mona leave this man. Mona not top, make the election, make the campaign. If he lose, he lose. But I don't be so insulting. I never paste any comment. I don't want to come clear. If you know that you get what you want to talk about Donald Trump, put on for live video, not put on for comment. Me, I see what statement where you want to make. They mama feel and that let's assume where that man was supposed to serve Africa. But what he could do, one of African leader. Anywhere Momo Gaddafi go, ask pray red carpet in there. That man dope. Euro currency, gold currency. Now he be done the planner before. That if foreign country they are coming to come and back oil from Africa, it's going to be gold currency. I want Ghana will know. This man must come out. He don't the phone. Libya thought it today is a war zone. Yes, now he's going to make it. Because when Obama was there 2009, Nigeria be passing through this hell. Nigeria, they went through hell. They couldn't allow Goodluck Jonathan to rule. Because what he was expecting from Goodluck Jonathan was to come and say, okay, now, man and man, we cannot marry. Woman, you cannot marry. Now that one look and say, he no fit. He cannot kill this nation. But today, where the formation who Lord Jonathan, I think one of the best presidents Nigeria has ever had since we had democracy. But 4 years now, no why the man spent and suffer command because he was not having any power. Now the same Obama, you this thing now. He bring this into even the so-called whatever Buhari supported. As Buhari favor Benin people, because Buhari now they wanna make it not tough for those state election. Because America embassy wrote out a letter to Nigerian government that we are interested to see how a those state election looks. But the same person, Nomu Obaseki, who came in, do you think any embassy can do anything without the consent of Donald Trump? We talk about ungrateful people working. You guys are very ungrateful people. But all the boys said to me, I will see how you guys go to start shouting and calling international community. How they are going to come to your rescue. If you have nothing to say at times in anything that is happening, instead of you being one-sided, you have no proof. Just keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. I don't have personal problem with Obama. I have personal problem with his policy that he brought. If Donald Trump has started it, by now your child that is 15 years in school, he will tell you that he is in love with a male child also, and he himself is a male child. Then where do John Amuria? Do you know what it takes when you are being influenced by bad society? You don't know what it takes. You have not been there. It's not all child that have the grace not to smoke. He did it. He was very happy about it. Since Donald Trump come now, for Madrid before they do this fiesta, you need to see him during time for Obama. All of them, they appear, all of them, try them. You they see them again, say that they do fiesta the way they be before. It's not there again. But during the time of Obama, you'll see them. Food street. Then if your mate child tomorrow come and tell you, after what you went through Caesarea, a lot of you went through IVF to get that mate child. Then it's coming tomorrow, coming back with another mate child that mama, this is my husband. I'm going to marry a mate child. How are you going to feel? Who caused it? Who are they looking onto? Who brought all this bad influence to our society? A man supported me. You support everything. Why do we kick against confederalism in Edo State? Why we not support Oshiomhole, a person like me? Why not support Oshiomhole? Because I know that he has a very bad policy. So it happens here in Europe. I'm not yet campaigning for Donald Trump. The election will not. But let us not begin to think archaically. We should be more than this. Let's live a good society for our children. What we are tolerating today, did your father tolerate it? What you and I tolerating today, did your own biological father tolerate it? I think this was supposed to be an abomination to every Edo person. That any person who puts such into law where is supposed to be your enemy and is supposed to be my enemy. Then such a person, which reason you even get at all to even clap for such a person? Even when he even mess, he mess not supposed to smell this way you did. You go assume say no smell. You will lock up. We are here. Obama they campaign for him. What is good about it? Obama stupid thing. The world is collapsing every day. How come about coronavirus? Do you think we're talking real? No? You still believe today is real? Are you not see lockdown everywhere today? Why the lockdown? You don't ask yourself. Oh, you know, anyway, may government can't just pay me unemployed. Man, I have grown beyond that. If I was one felt like that before, many years ago, but for the now, I'm no longer interested in that useless meeting you people attend again and begin to use sentiment for everything. That was why I supported Obaseki from my heart. Nobody told me about it. If I said I declare my support for Donald Trump, if you insult me through this video, that you will never be free from insult in your life. Who are you going to come here tomorrow and say, Bishop, thank you for supporting good thing? What about the remaining goodie that he still has in mind? But it took us time to convince these people. Then I should start campaigning for Obama, Donald Trump. We are not the America. But we should be wise enough to know the leaders who will help in the country where he made a leader, and also extend his hand to other foreign nations to also go and help them. Obama be signing, Donald Trump be signing peace deal. The last one he signed the other war with the Arab, so that may war not there again. We will not get sense. Joe Biden, now 2017, he come up for position. Waiting he do remain. Why not use that campaign? Was he able to tell you people, or you people know about American people salary? Maybe you're able to tax it by what tax in any. But think about what he has in mind. What is his mind towards other African countries? We are being killed anywhere. He called Africa a shito country, make una forgot thing, and really is a shito country. Up to now, since 2017, we have not really feel the dividend of a good president. Everything is still photoshopping. Buhari right now is as young as is even younger than me in some of his pictures. Mona go look in hand. Who want talk? We have a pressing need. Nigeria to today, they are still borrowing money. The one where they don't borrow, what they use and do, nothing is working. You are there in America supporting. So go tell Donald Trump. Were you able to contribute to the governance in your state? Oh, one boy, do I have you any? Do one on waiver. If me go bongo as now, oh, women may have a able day. I will have a mapaka, they battle as because the blood see them, my local webo. War America, Wahamu. That's why we not the fear. My thing is low toy. That's why I want everybody to be deported. The children to be left there behind. Let's go and fix our nation together. Let me see what you can do. Boko Haram be killing people. You don't bloody care about that. Sata Kaduna, there is excessive killing. Who is killing them? Nobody. Look at the massacre in a Lekki toll gate. Sanwo-Olu is denying. Army is denying. How many Americans so-called one of the they wear football jeans? Here they buy a baggy. Because when I don't did there. How was American built? It was built that they are Americans. God gave you power. God has given you strength so that you can also from there help your nation. They are not helping in any form. They leave the well-being of Nigeria right now for Sowore and Nnamdi Kanu. Sowore went for many more months imprisonment. Why was he in jail? Was it not because of the betterment of Nigeria? For you to say truth is a problem. Here then talk about Joe Biden. What he do remain? Hey, Joe Biden Hey, Joe Biden, what am I wait off? Nonsense. I'm gonna marry Asena. This will never spoil rich. Then Obama rule go and watch the administration of Obama. If it benefit a lot of people for America, but how many people show displeasure in it? That's what matters. When I'm an Ogboni who must like Obama? Who must like her? When I be a lesbian, who must like her? But when the manager men like her, ancestor mama like Obama. Because if not like him, our ancestor does not support such a thing. Oh, who will be or the do? Why were you saying a dope person be supporting such government? Okay, they're going to mobile you be. When you boy your honor me ban waverio. May your mate child brought mate child at home. He had the one make be. Why complain ogwig boy? E do bad na ire. He had the be mo your way. O be abo be ati ari egbe we no ka mo your before. When I complain go we no be ale look be. E do ro isan gbogbo we. Because we your boy ya see. It's that time we start telling ourselves the truth. Amen, mama. Waiting no good, no matter how you try to paint it. The same thing happened to Jesus Christ. In Nazareth, Jesus Christ couldn't perform one single miracle because some form of Edo people. He couldn't perform one single miracle. He was intimidated and humiliated. In the book of Mark 6 verse 3, he says, is it not this capital, the son of Mary, the brother of James and Jose and Jose and Judas and Samuel are not his sister with us, and they took offense at him. They began to query him. There was no honor for him. That was why he said, a prophet had no honor in his place. In the book of that same Mark 6 verse 4. So it's like that. People don't understand. You give birth, you don't suffer now. Where do Google because of one country, one world leader stand and say, Ma and Ma can marry. Then your son will be coming out from school. It has been influenced by the enemy from your father's house. They will come enter your children now. May they give them bad spirit. You know, say there is a way that the law of a country, children want to build their whatever in it, so that they have something to rest upon. Read the book of Luke, chapter 22, verse 3. He says, Satan entered Judas, also called Iscariot, to betray one of the 12, to betray Jesus. Satan can enter your son tomorrow. If you're telling, it will be sent in America, because every children now know say America now their strength from the come. Say at the send and they go read down, lost so and so do by Dobadi. They'll come quote where Obama for fair doing Donald Trump carry a comment because they're not racist. Then Dobadi bring them again. I be say good. Then your children now Satan go enter them. Also one go be away on the one. Then what are you going to do that time? You can't blame say God. Now that time God go fire some of you now. That's why they gave round to full announcement today. Christians they are still praying. Instead of them to go and buy grenade, buy bomb, they are praying. Look at the book of Numbers 31 verse 49. They told Moses, we have counted soldier that was under your care. None is missing. They went to war. We believe in praying and fasting. Now praying and fasting want to fix Nigeria and make Nigeria be like this up to today. So we are still waiting upon the Lord. Praying and fasting Christians. Because if they never insult us, we know the year word. As we be so now like them. Not those hands, Do you know some people here, their children will never be tired with this thing? I command that demon to go in Jesus' name. But when we vote in any, may the spirit follow your children. If Donald Trump have supported Donald Trump, a spirit no be lelima. What did they see say they come? You know, stone where they see say they come, not the black person face. Barack Obama, he reached Ghana. He turned back. Because he developed for good Lord Jonathan. He went to mobile yebe, nowhere no be around with baby Nigeria. Because that now there be their sad distraction. They know say better people did there. Now me and your spirit now even make they never come carry Nigeria turn out to their own. Up to now nobody know our money, we have our money to pass. Nobody care about it. They put an agenda down for us. Where Donald Trump want from come? He just finished for impeachment that day. They worried this man. This man have never been focused. The reason why he's hated by everybody, Unati say now because he's bad. Because you know why they support their mago. You know why they support him? NATO now. Now America be the phone now before. He removed his hand this side. What are we using the money for? When he came in, I think, me I not can lie. I think they were having up to about whether 30,000 be 25,000 soldiers in Germany here for base. He asked them, what are these people doing here? There is no war in Germany. What would they be doing here? That was the safety they have been doing. They said American soldiers just send them for notice sake. Send a base that they put there. That man start putting things in place. That's why if he's going out today, he said that if they talk him for a debate, what he have done. Look at what this where Jobadi accused him for. Let me play this video from beginning again. Only from beginning. He make reference to Abraham Lincoln, say what he don't do. Now let Abraham Lincoln don't do him. Why America not challenge him? Why BBC not challenge him and say I like the talk?
I said, not since Abraham Lincoln has anybody done what I've done for the black community. And I didn't say I'm Abraham Lincoln. I said, not since Abraham Lincoln.
You know how they talk like? You know, say they pull life for the man head now. They change word for a man. Listen.
Has anybody done what I've done for the black community? Now, you have done nothing other than the crime bill, which put tens of thousands of black men mostly in jail.
All right, let me ask Vice President
Because if
Biden
you look at what's happening with the voting right now,
let me ask Vice President
that
Biden.
He put tens of thousands of blacks now he put for jail. Why not deny? The records are there. But now this same Donald Trump and the core racist. How many blacks he don't put for jail? They sponsor now people sponsor now your position I sponsor that protest with the whole world Black Lives Matter. The George Floyd wey die. Now people sponsor am. He and I sponsor just to spoil his government. They started destroying things. When the man even thought okay now if they continue like this violent protest riot he go to deploy army. They still change am. Okay now may he not talk. He should allow you to start destroying things. Okay, una lucky now lucky. Here wa gbogo wa wodo. I think NSAS now. Una go use na take go bargain Indomie. Abi noodles. A wood generation. And they watch una from afar. And they watch una from afar. Tomorrow morning they go remote to drive around the city. You have me Obama wa agbe o me you. Cause we down. Stupid set of people. Amagu wagwane. They will never rest. They not go rest. He just accusing right now. Tens of thousands of blacks. They have your jail. Where are the crime of this very man? Where is they? What viola them? Why Joe Biden not come tell and say you were the one that put people in jail? Now, there's another thing again said here that I like.
Look at what's happening out there.
Vice President.
When I closed, he said I shouldn't have closed. And that went on for months. What Nancy Pelosi said the same thing. She was dancing on the streets in Chinatown in San Francisco. But when I closed, he said, this is a terrible thing, you're xenophobic. I think he called me racist even. And because I was closing it to China. Now he says I should have closed it earlier. It just, Joe, it doesn't work.
I didn't say either of those things.
Now, during the COVID-19, he don't tell me the Zoleman I go where. He closed, they say why he closed. He opened, they say why he opened. Now, they know they do what your enemy go like. I hate somebody you come now because say you hate person and go with them. No. I have my own view. I don't even have anybody that will call me right now about I am on my own. I'm on my own. My 100% support now for Donald Trump. That why I believe I'm supporting Donald Trump. What do we mean? Me awawu. Nena gmorona. Now even fed that na be meet. Maybe now fed that heaven go open before the rest of una Boko Haram go kill una for una country. Heaven ya be kuye. What did they be like so? Why must we be deceiving ourselves? You'll be going to Nigeria. You have to do that praying and fasting. Do not go even come when you did a banned blessing you're supposed to get for Bongo. You banned everything through it because of fear. Here we are interested about American election. We are broad daylight yesterday. Now they snatch car for Benin. I'm not going to be showing the video. I don't even know the location where they now. Broad daylight yesterday. Now government now they beg them make police go start work. But we are interested about Joe Biden. What did Joe Biden get? What did do remain? What did start for 2009? You know, if you reach 2007, what is he coming to come and do? Joe Biden worry about it. More ni awon ni adon muri abagbon na o kan agbele yan. I see black people. Why doing with such person? If Donald Trump were to be bad, he would have continued the legacy that Obama left behind. He would have continued it. Unless he by now. If your female child not going to go to do lesbian for school. Do you know what it takes that when a country is a role model and people are looking onto that country and that country is misbehaving? That's why today Africa will remain like this until Nigerian God is seen as shine. The very day Nigerian wake up, every other country in Africa will stand still and begin to put things right. Because they are the giant of Africa. Democracy starts in US. But it does not mean that you will become crazy. Donald Trump rose up and said they should stop the counting, which is true. Falsification for EPM in our America. No way EPM, no day. They want rig election for the man head, I don't know. Do you know how many of the voters card, the one with Donald Trump for Lugan and Konkuke Chanare? We don't think. If they get power, why make them sue themselves in? When they are here White House, whether it's the government or UK, they pursue, they go there. That White House is for God. It's not for Illuminati. Not before witches and wizards. You should know what this man stands for. A man that could say marriage should be man and woman. Not somebody that will come and tell you the other side. Look at no way right now. You can get married to an animal. In no way you can get married to your dog. Pope go see where do now. That is society you want to live. There is a way, we've been here, so many atrocities happening that we are not used to. Our spirit is not used to it. So it can sound the todo eso. And me so it can sound. Eso no locura. No puedo aguantar más. I can't just take it no more. That even the Zumo you are drinking in the market, they want the bonus nowhere. Then you say it does not mean. Why be say we not the last these days? Look at it, different infirmities everywhere. That's why I'm interested. Let Nigeria be good. I prefer to use let go back house, but let the killing stop. Is this one our life? Is this one our life? No, anywhere but it can have a ring election, EPM or whatever. I'm making it. They are everywhere. I don't know how we stop here. On our hand, where the power of a sitting president in America. The power of a sitting president in America. This will not be other country. Where court in Marina. We are going to court. The whole state where Joe Biden win. I challenge you at the court. I degbe ya ke ya fe. I logo pa na music we. I can le vote wa ya fe. Ibanu wa wa zena. I Jesu ri obo yu wa yo egbanu wa. Egbanu wa. I Jesu ma gbo nisan. I Jesu ma gbo nisan. Egbanu wa wa ti mo agbon ria awa. Wa mo ria. Wa ti mo agbon ria. No. Saloba Kweyo. We are not serving a dead God. You people cannot spoil this earth. A lot of things are happening that is not happening very well. But here they are. All we do is to support evil things. Yes, it's in no way. You can get married to your animal. It's in no way. We don't read. That's our problems. We don't read. Human rights, all your mazua. I hear they say democracy. What mean democracy they do? Now your John will go collect all who are warrior, who is the racist here. Not be a doma, the racist a doma. The higher racist I've seen, now a do person. Some of them. Obama they racist to what? Racist to for waiting. Uno blasphemy you can. He charged Joe Biden just now that you locked tens of thousands of people black in jail. Why not contestant? Na so na say dey spoil people name. Eri wa say that money over security. But Salobama ko you why? Na this the visa ban wey Donald Trump put say during Obaseki election make for take scare them so that make them not do that election magoma. Una think say na power to the do one. I be talk ban waga shout in. Una think say na that one na Donald Trump for zege federal government to wa my or ma Ian Mario Boyo. Ave Jagaban, ave Tunubu, ave Miatere men ave Ibuanduje. Abun any fun agbin abog yeke. Wa down wa yo wafo. That's why they couldn't do anything. You think it was by your power. It was that year campaign that you did. It was that year campaign that you did. Ungrateful set of elements. Wa yeke na mena gbowa, wa yeke no vena. You think it's rosy. What they gbe mi owe ban. Why we have a time they remember una. Like the other time when they brought palliatives, when China brought palliatives come Edo people were shouting, hey, Obaseki can't believe Edo, wow, Obaseki want to keep Benin people, all of them were shouting. Now the same thing now where Obaseki keep, why have you now go lose so, but why we not viewing, but none of you could remember again. That we want fair condemn what Chinese bring, that Obaseki couldn't use it. Maybe he kept those things there, pending on when it will be settled down, to check whether it's to use it or to dispose it. So you, but the governor cannot come right now and start telling you it was you people that told me to keep this thing there. And those people shouted, social media was jumper. It was only me who could come with an eloquent message, telling them, well, there is no way a state governor will reject such a gift. But he will take it later, he can damage it. But I trust the governor, he's not going to use it for people. How many of you remember that? None of us remember it today because we don't have our retentive memory code, don't catch them. Now this very year happened. I think it happened around June. Around June, it happened. Even when most of the people, when they want to come talk, they insult people when they Europe say Europe don't know what they do. Spanish that time, they see that what Chinese brought, the ventilators and face masks were contaminated with coronavirus. The same thing with UK. The same thing with America and all of other. But many people start defending it just because Obasa is going to collect them. But these people, they have no moral value. They cannot really explain themselves. They put themselves into a problem. But none of them remember today. Now let me one remember that there was a time when Benin people, some bad one inside, rose up and said, hey, he want to come and kill the whole Edo people. Too much killing Satan now, which is true. If Boris Johnson don't let me, why Boris Johnson river? Why Boris Johnson not talking? Who this one they say? Who this one they curse? Okay, maybe you and person they insult each other. Yeah, I think I'll block you with destiny now. Nobody remember that again. That there was a time we told Obaseki, no. I guess most of you watching right now, you might have watched how he's trained that time, where people were talking, he's a bad person, how will you expect a governor not to collect such a thing as a gift? But there's one thing collecting it, another thing, he will not use it for the people. Maybe where he kept this thing, now I go bongo, so why I pocky. Also, and I go why you when I would want we gave every day. If you want how we gave, come away. Their children, I pray for you today. With the reason of this very old Bible, while the Bible now, it is highly consecrated. Your children will never be gay. None of your children will be lesbian in Jesus' name. Your children will never be gay. But if you are support evil, not when they gay are a society, may it be wet with you and your household. Now prayer. That one a prayer. Because I wait to person so they reap. I'm not so gay. I'm not so lesbian. Joe Biden will accuse in a debate that you lock tens of thousands of blacks in jail. Why not deny? But now they put everything for Donald Trump. Now Donald Trump be racist. How it be racist? How? How? The man has policy which other person we has. Who God love it? Why God they punish the children? He said, who God love it chastised? It's in the book of Hebrews. Who, if God love you, go discipline you. He not guide the bee. Spare the rod, you spare the child. So spare the rod, you spare the child. It's like that. Train up a child in the book of Proverbs 22 verse 6. The way you should grow when you do not depart from me. He said, no discipline seems to be pleasant at the time but painful. But at the end result, it will yield an harvest of righteousness. That's in the book of Hebrews. So that is the way it is. If a president tries to discipline, do not do this. Okay, what did you expect? You should start governing America with your own archaic idea that you don't know you cannot remember what happened between 2009 and 2017. You don't remember how Muammar Gaddafi were killed, how many Edo people that have died in Libya as a result of their no longer control. They don't have government. It has been war there right from Obama. Shoe can for there. Obama veni Jesus. Your boy. What has which country Donald Trump don't cause problem? Iran the other day. Kazani Soleimani. Everybody will know say war Mandana. He ordered for it. But at the end of the day, they all admitted. They know. Poloski, no let me go. Yaya gwale near Bokpa no village Bokpa do mugbe that Poloski. Even queried him. Otto Ilarekiti came out. Why more you want to cause war to America? This was how they pampered Osama bin Laden. I will say they could eradicate Osama bin Laden. The World Trade Center 9/11 attack would have not happened. But today there is peace everywhere. As soon as the military force, they found out that they called Donald Trump, he said, bring him down. That was how Kazani Soleimani immediately was brought down by the military, American military. Today there is peace. What happened in France recently? There is this when they do joke that a teacher were teaching. This thing happened some time ago, but reflected again. A teacher was in the school teaching, making references, say, I leave freedom of speech. Person talk to Mohammed, not to die put. Now one of the class people just go tell Papa for us, say, see what teacher they talk. Now Papa just say, concede that teacher will cause problem for France. So Emmanuel Macron and Oyo Hankreno, he does not really know how to deal with other people. But the glass right now, they are even telling them to call their whatever tears they have with France. Make them cut them. The whole Arab nation, they are annoyed. Because they talk, say that thing where do say not mean anything. Not be not Jesus they say they play. But Arab, they know they use their Allah they play. They are Muhammad, if you try, they will kill you. But your own a picture, their own a read from their heart. You see they rise up. But how many Arab now have they deported? Let them be saying in Nigeria, I deport to Wayane. Because Wayane value of Vion Wayakin, of Vion Wakin, Wakin, see. Arab today, they claim that they are even France citizen. They claim it. Do we have possession here abroad? Do we have possession? How many Arab have you ever one day see the government they call international? They are the international community. The level West Common Senegal that is just 15 million. 15 million people. Lagos population big past Senegal. Lagos is 17 million. Senegal, the whole, Dakar and Daura, all of them is 15 million. The kind level where they get for Jand here, Nigeria not the near there. Their police, you dare not talk to one Senegal person. You can't see all those one way don't to take where the agbada or you back on, you know that they go court. You not fit try. They even the brute police at times. The police are looking for Spain here. See one time where one Senegal boy died for Barcelona. Senegal they destroy a lot of things for how many common protests Nigeria not fit come to. Now so na get level. Joe Biden bear stupid. Some certain stupid people who do not read history. Una they lower our morale here abroad. Support what is good. If Nigeria community even rise up and say, Donald Trump is what we need, look at the reason why. Donald Trump government will be good for our children. Your life, it don't spoil. But his government will be good for your children. No, that will not be. Legal population is not 45 million. How many is Nigeria? Is Nigeria not 200 and something million? We have 36 states. Lagos is 17 million. Go around there. He's there. Man, I told you. We they do research small. Change this feed day, but if it be 100 or 200, but now 17 million and Lagos, be not be 45 million. Sorry. You are talking about that's a population of Spain. 1 million to that. That's population of Spain is 46 million. Spain is 46 million. Italy is about 66. You know. A UK was talking about it not reach Nigeria. They are 67, 68 million. Now UK be. But why UK not want me Nigerian better? Because they know say Nigerian pack their load, they go house. They go suffer. So that's why they pamper you there. You document it, stress you. Make you part the Valorant if you reach your hand. What does passport have to do with your soul? It has nothing to do. What it do, it permits you more to be there, to buy house there, pay your tax there, die there. Don't fight for your country to be good. Live it down a bad society. What you are going through right now is small. What your children is going to go through. Remember, your children do not go to farm one day. There are situations they cannot withstand. It remains the same. We have to change the narrative now in our own time. People like us go live it down. If they see our children, then go they fear. If they see our children, they go see that name, say that boy. More than not that man. This name we fed the year and that year. Nobody go here, and if you hear say so and so person now, so and so, let's say which name will I use right now? Let's say Rice Mandela, for example. They go respect him because he that Mandela so Nelson Mandela and something. So what name they leave behind? Mumu Mandu or Moswo or Modion Amuria, Tokati. That's what you are going to leave behind. The government may not be good for you, but he might also be good for your children. We don't want a society that will spoil our children. We don't want it. We don't to suffer. We don't to suffer. We don't want it. We don't did Joe Biden and whatever. Mama need a word na mama need or a man all those sign we no ho be mama gwalo. Mama gwalo we mama gwale kia we kia magwalo at least one from here. Not the same this thing. No kere kif. Ai que aselo uno coge uno aí y mendelo junto ya está. Eso es lo que nosotros quiero. No quiere que una mujer casada con una mujer. Eso es una locura. No quiere eso. Lo que quiere es una mujer con un hombre. Y ya está. Así la vida muy bien. No quiere más. Let's forget all this tonteria. Let's start reasoning well once. That's why continent of Africa remain like this today. Because nobody they think well. Only country today that did not collect loan from Chinese is Tanzania. John Problem Magufuli. Wa talk be. John Problem Magufuli. He said now only madman they collect Chinese loan. He not collect, that man not collect. Go and look at Tanzania today. They have a gene already. There's a gene in Tanzania. The problem we have with the follow talk show hosts, that's why we are being carried away. At times, spend your time. Leave talk show hosts. Go to inside YouTube. Call people that know about what's happening. Read more books. It will help you. You are getting it archaically. The little story I told you right now, this is what everybody all know, the people that want to know about Obama and Joe Biden. They not get one single help when they give Nigeria. For the 8 years they spend, they don't get one single help. Up to now, where our money they go? Where our money they go up to now? Because American government right now, they put fear for all this wayward Nigerian, but we go, they carry our money, they thief, go that side. That's why they are annoyed of the man. And you yourself, you see they follow them, they anoint put. You see they follow them, they anoint put. And you don't know what they happen. If I hear somebody that I begin to speak evil against somebody, first of all, investigate the person yourself. Like this animal in America, you all know what he's doing, and he's still doing it. All these are the Joe Bidens who does not value children. These are the Joe Bidens. These are the Obama who will carry in his live video lay curse on innocent child. Innocent child. All these are the Joe Bidens and the Obamas. So they are very much in line. So now Trump, now we need to be triumph. Look at the name. He speaks volume. What are we talking about? If not because of Obaseki, me, I would have campaigned for Donald Trump here. Maybe I would have also been able to give him about 100 votes or even more than. There are a way we break up the history to people. That was why Obaseki was able to win. It was the Bible we use. Now this platform, we use. A lot of people feel they claim man, but you when they claim man to this now, you put Obaseki there. How valuable was your word? How many people were you able to convince? What scriptural backings were you having? So having given this brief analogy right now, you should know that same idea that you have, you need to start changing it. So the people that you see supporting this person, he did their mind. Now they get. So and make their children inherit what they are supporting. That's why I support every good thing. Waiting on your good and not get hand. I know the support. Imagine Donald Trump don't mind there. But if you have the Spirit of God, if you see God sent, you will know. American, Nigerian pastors right now, they couldn't prophesy like this Unaipa, all the fake prophet, TB Joshua. You know, he say a surprise go happen. Yeah, now surprise go happen. Now when Donald Trump will don't carry a go court now, Supreme Court go win now. You can't say you said it. The other one is say narrow winning. Because they are fake. That's why today they are being killed. They are being killed. Only somebody. He talked to Mohammed anyhow for Paris. I was born here now. Now turn Paris upside down. So Emmanuel Macron right now, I need our help. I need to go help Emmanuel Macron soon. Because the man is confused. He don't know what to do. The Emmanuel Macron you are seeing, so they see cancer from America. They see cancer. That's why see Donald Trump come. He have cut off a lot of things. They carry imprisonment, give and back. They not succeed. A Poloski or Lemmy will. They have been trying, but who are you with favor? Let's see. They will not come to this world. Someone must have to correct this error. When the world comes spoiled before, God sent Jesus. Who do you think God is going to send again this time? Countries are still to lockdown today. So why you not they carry the coronavirus? How many of your brothers carry? When they are trying to use to eradicate some people. I when I dance so I'm when I you what British one enemy oh my ka phone me there. Oh one of you can ka gboma. Apo wen ka gboma. When you coronavirus, man, I'm winning the coronavirus. We have a lot of people today that work in the hospital. Even treat the same people with coronavirus. Why you not die? They are playing us. Please, let on end there. God bless you all. Please, I'm going to be coming out with more. Bring up your evidence and how to sober you. I dey like this kind of fight. Bring out your fact. Imam Gaddafi, Imam Gbe Unwen Hatiamu. You think the spoil, we not care how the things stay start, or we just know we put blame on the next person. Look at Waterstone project in Edo State. It come to a time, those people were not mentioning Oshiomhole. They were saying Obaseki. But it was Oshiomhole that carried 30 billion for Waterstone project. How now come the problem came to Obaseki? Now, coronavirus come. The past president, they don't first say and say go come. Why they not sovereign? Obama see why not sovereign? This say Joe Biden no let me go ask why not sovereign? What you couldn't do for 8 years and now you want to do it. He was asked question, how many rallies Joe Biden do? Okay, when I say two do not, we are going to court. He caught him now, and I'm there in the spirit. When me mood yana no day. Now we no be lose it. Make ata mabe wo Obaseki. A time is going to come. The people that will support Obaseki together will not become enemy. That is why for me, I'm happily to tell you, you think God no friend. Because the very day you are not on track, you are not on track biblically, I will spit you out. Not because I had the phone. I will spit you out. I don't support evil. I don't support evil. It was what I did not support Obaseki because of you. I support God and I reveal Obaseki to me, Comrade Newton. If I lie, heaven they look me. That was why I gave me my support. So the next person you are going to be supporting may also be the person that God don't need. So good everyone, and God bless you. Please, for those of you that have watched, God will bless you. For those of you that really understand what this life is all about, God bless you. For people who don't want to understand, my dear, wait till they come. As I don't already pray, may their children, the very day you quarrel, that your children, may God give your children to become a gay, so that you know the reason why people does not want these people. The very day you quarrel, you will start having problem. If Olokun no kill you that day, Ogun go kill you. That's the two things. Don't be expecting it. It's hard time we start telling ourselves the truth. If we must move forward, because it's in the book of John chapter 8 verse 32. And ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. What will make our society to be complete metamorphosis, or that will be photosystem style, is this truth. And Lucky Dube said, he said there is no truth in the world. So we cannot continue with all this hatred and lies just because of he banned you from getting visa. Stay in your country. Must everybody go to America? You can come here. People in UK today, most of them they came through Morocco, or some came through Libya, arrive Italy, settle down, go to UK. You can do the same thing. Must you use visa? Pass through the same route. Then we are in the route to the you can't suffer bomb picking. Then one president will come sign one law. Or the president come sign one law where Ogbe ati ahon megbe. O wa worry about why support him video. Good night everyone, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen.